Hello guys, welcome to day 54 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to fix a problem that in the day 51, I think, in the day of 51 I get stuck with a problem when I was trying to design my portfolio page, a web page that I was trying to create with coding. And let me show you something here. This was what I was trying to create. The design was this. So I was trying to create a whole a div here, a parent div here, and then divide this div into 3 sections using grid method. So I wanted to challenge myself to see if I can use the grid method. So this is my code. Let me close this one. Okay, this is my code. Okay, and when I run my code, I see this page. So this red div supposed to get divided in 3 sections using grid method, but I wasn't able to do that. I used the grid method, but it didn't work for me. So after 2 days, I watched a comment of yours in YouTube, and one of you guys told me here, you forgot to add last one fr. It should look like this. And I came back to my code and saw, yes, here I forgot to add one number, and this cost me 2 days of wasting time just to find a solution, because I was tried to search Google, finding another solution, see what was wrong with my codes, but there was nothing wrong with the codes, but only I just missed one number. So thank you, dear Dark. I cannot spell your name, but thank you so much. And let's go back to our design. Let's see what we can do today. Okay, now that I just fixed this problem. So we have divided 3 sections here, red, blue, and black. And now I want to put them in center of my page and make them smaller, so a little bit looking more like the design that I have created. And so what we should do now, first of all, let's make the size of these divs smaller. So the codes were here. I named all of them in classes: first class, second, and third class. And here I put it color for them. So the first one, the second one, but I didn't colorize the third one. Where is the third one? I didn't colorize it, but it's automatically in black. I don't get it. Why should it be black? Why it's not white? Background color red, blue, and item. I put the item class in black, and all of these are in black because it's the parent div. And I'm going to create a third div, a third class CSS color for this, the third one, and the background color maybe, I don't know, green. Green. Control S to save the codes, Control R, and we have the green color as well. Now let's make them small. So all of them should have a height and a width, right? So the parent div, I'm going to, should I change the size of the parent div, or should I change every single of this? First, let's try the parent div, make it smaller, and then try to do some sizing over every single of these divs, the child divs. Okay, let's say, let's clean this first, and then width. We can say 500 pixel, and height 400. Okay, what happened? These are too small. It's too small. Let's make it bigger and put it in the center. Maybe I think it looks cool. Now let's put it in the center, the whole div in the center. And to do this, we have to use what was the code? I forget it. Justify content or item. Justify item, I don't know, let's test it. Justify item, center. What happened? It didn't happen anything. Let's change it to content. Didn't happen anything. We actually solved this problem a couple of days ago, but I still forget it. What was the solution? One of you guys told me the solution already. And where is the comment? Here, I think. Use previous to center div method, and one of these margin auto, right? Margin auto. How about now? Okay, margin auto. Let's remember that. And now we have to make gaps between these three boxes. Okay, gaps. We have already gap, but it's too small, so let's make it like 70. Control S. Okay, it looks good, but the color of this should be white, I think. Let's make this white. So white, and Control S. Looks good, right? Now we have something similar to what we have created here, but these are a little bit, it have too much height. Let's make it smaller. Like the height should be 3000. Control S. It's look better. Now let's give it top margin. So it will have spaces between this orange div and these three boxes. Okay, so we need margin top, like it should be auto as well, right? So it put it in the center. Control S to save the progress. Nothing happened. Let's change it to I don't know, like 100. Control S. It was too much. Let's make it less, like 50. Control S. It's not good right now. It looks good, and we are finished the section here. Okay, so now we have to create 3 divs here to put a picture of my portfolios, right? As I don't have picture, so I will I don't know, create a picture, a fake picture, or maybe I just make it, put a color under. So let's create a picture very fast, real quick. This is a new word that I have learned recently. Real quick. Paint. And for the first, they all can have one color. It doesn't matter, right? Like what color? Let's put it black. Put a black color and save it here as PNG. Let's name it portfolio image. Portfolio image. And let's cut this and paste it in the project folder. Assets here. And we are going to work with this. Okay, now should I create 3 different images for every boxes, or should I use one boxes and copy and paste it into 3 boxes? Create one image and copy and paste it into 3 boxes. let's see what we should do right now is create another div inside every child div. So here, or maybe not div, image, right? Image tag. I should use image tag. Image tag, and give it the source. The source should be like assets, and the third picture, portfolio image. So the alt here, the code alt doing replace a nickname, a name for my image. So every time my image doesn't show up on my page, it will show this text instead of my image. Let's check and see what happened. Okay, so as you can see here, my div getting too much small because I have a picture which is very big. Let's resize this picture, and let's make this image not every image, so I have to make a class for it. I don't need to make it class. I can use a method which is like this. I targeting the image tag and then targeting the child of that image tag. So I'm sorry, I have to use first, which is a name of the parent tag, and then use this sign to point the child tag, which is image, right? So now I can say width should be like how much would it was the width should be like 50 pixels for now. We will change it later, and the height should be 50 pixels as well. Let's see the results. Here it's too small, let's make it bigger. What was the size of my boxes? I didn't put size for them, so we have to test and try the size to see what is the suitable one. Like, do you want code insiders to open the external website? Cancel. Oh my god. Pixel in set. Okay, Control S. It's good. It's good. And now we have to size it. Okay, we have to give it margin. margin left, auto, nothing happens. What about pixel? Okay, 50 pixel, so it should be less. 50 pixel should be less, like, I don't know, 45 pixel. It is looking equal, but I think this is not the formal way. This is not the official way, because I want to put it in the center equally. So from the right and left, it should be equal. It's now it looks like equal, but I think it's not. I don't have any way to solve this problem. One way was there was something called justify content. Let's try it. Justify content. Does it have something like auto? It doesn't. Center doesn't work. Maybe I should use justify content for the parent div, so it will work on the image, right? If I use justify content for the parent div, it will affect everything else in that parent div. So after I created the title and a description for it, it will affect them as well, right? Let's use margin for now, and we'll find another solution later if we have time. Margin top, (45 pixel), Control S. 45 is too much for the top, so make it less, like 35. Control S. It looks better, right? Let me see the design. In my design, I have less space in here, less margin, so make it like 25. Control S. Looks better. And let's make it bigger. Make this black picture bigger, like in white. Oops. I'm going to play with it so eventually it looks good. It's now looking better. Guys, do you have any other solution to centralize my this tag, this div, this picture, this black picture, without using without need to play with the numbers here? I tested the margin auto, but I didn't find any solution, so I had to play with these numbers. Do you have another solution? If yes, please comment it in the section. I will appreciate it. Okay, let's create this image for the next 3 divs. So I'm just copy this one, paste it twice, changing these names, second and the third. Control S. Nothing happened. Oh, I forgot to copy this image, right? Put it in every single div. Here and here. Control S, and now we have it. Good. I feel very great because I think I just getting too much better in coding. I remember 15 days ago, about 50 days ago, when I started to learning programming, and now I can create a page. It's a very simple page, but it is a page, and now I'm getting so much better. So I think it's good. It's enough for today. We have 30 minutes worked today for creating this web page, and that's it. See you tomorrow.